Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Here let's choose the display and click on wallpaper. As you can see, we can choose either from your own gallery or wallpapers which are defaultly installed on your device. So let me pick wallpapers for example. And here we've got available wallpapers. So let me pick something, for example, maybe this one, and simply click on set wallpaper. Here you can choose where you want to set the wallpaper. You can choose either from a home screen, lock screen, or home screen and lock screen. So let me pick, for example, both. And let's get back. As you can see, the wallpaper has been changed. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your DOOGEE X100. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.